15 seconds until the market opens. We're gonna see this number. I think the number is gonna change to maybe like 99. I don't know. Who knows? But that's gonna be the play for today. So let's get ready. Let's get started. Market is open. All right. Let's change the. Put on some music. All right. Let me open up my Thinkorswim. All right. All right. So here we are. All right. So this is where we are right now. So I'm in Facebook and I'm also in Apple. Now the goal, a lot in Facebook right now. Okay, cool. So I got into Facebook at a good play. What I want to do today is I want to make enough money so that if something happens with Apple, I'm able to still confirm money. So let me go to Facebook's 1 minute chart. So I don't look stupid like trying to leave this thing. This thing is shooting up a lot. This thing is shooting up a lot. This thing is shooting up a lot. I'm up about $1,000 on Facebook right now. The thing about it is that Facebook shot up to 278. I do not think that's going to happen again because that would be ridiculous. But I do think that I can probably make a little bit of moolah from its run today if it decides to keep on going. So I'm up. Weeble's being stupid right now, but I'm up money. I'm trying to be a little bit more aggressive today. I know a lot of you guys were like, Duttu, be a little bit more aggressive. And I'm like, oh, okay, I guess I can try. I can try to be a little bit more aggressive, guys. But it really all comes down to understanding like your risk tolerance. Now, for me, I don't like Apple right now because Apple's been having a hard time trying to break that 452 area, and it's been making me upset because it's been testing it for like 3 to 4 days. Um, so I ultimately want to see Apple break its 452s and just ascend, right? For for Facebook, I might have to stay in Facebook for a little bit. I know it's overbought right now, but a lot of people want Facebook right now, like a lot. So I don't want to jip myself with dollars, but at the same time, I could really just confirm right now and take my money and then be done. I hope I don't get like destroyed by Weeble stupidity today because it's telling me that the server's busy, and I don't want this thing to like just tell me I can't do anything with my trades anymore, because then that would just piss me off. Like me trying to get out of something and I can't get out because it's being stupid, that would make me upset. Okay, let's see what I can do. Tesla's down right now, which is good. This is why I didn't want to get into Tesla, because I know Tesla. Trust me, I know Tesla. Tesla is my stock, but I didn't see anything happening with Tesla to ensure that I would be at profit. That's why I didn't want to do it. Facebook had a much Facebook had a better chance of not better chance, but Facebook had a better reading of me making money than Tesla did, which is why I jumped into Facebook. Hmm. My goodness, like do something, please. Okay, finally, you're at 453. All right. So here's what I want to do with these things, right? You guys are so comfortable with me making $1,000 a day because that's the goal. But here's the thing. I know I can make a little bit more. That's not a problem. The problem is that sometimes I feel like I trade only in between the streaming hours that you guys see me doing it at, and then you guys, are like, oh, he only made 1,000. You know what I mean? At any point, I can probably make like $2,000, $3,000 if I were to stay in a little bit longer. But that doesn't mean I should. That doesn't mean I should. You feel me? What I want to do, I want to prove to because I told you that if I continue this trend of $1,000 a day for the entire month, right? Then my sister said that she was gonna help me get a McLaren. so, so it's either Honda or McLaren. I did expect this to happen because we had a lot of momentum for Apple and a lot of momentum for Facebook. Facebook, on the other hand, I think is going to slow down very soon. We're getting to areas where the resistance levels are around the 273s. So I think we can hit like 13,000 today, and then probably be okay. I think I can pay myself like $2,000. It's either going to be Facebook. It's either going to be Apple that does it or Facebook that does it. This is a really big resistance line right here. I could hold it. I don't want to hold it, but I could hold it to like 274, the high 274s. But I just don't think that's very smart of me to do. All right, I'm going to get out of Apple as well because I've held Apple for too long. I've held Apple for too long. I'm up. I made profit on Apple. It wasn't a lot, but I'm going to get out of it. I do think Apple's probably going to run today, but it's just pissing me off. I'm gonna be honest. Apple's really making me upset. I've held Apple. I don't swing Apple. I don't swing stocks in terms of day trading because I'm a day trader. I make money within the same time that I make the money at. But it's been aggressively making me upset that Apple will rise and then not do anything. You feel me? Do not want to hold Apple. I don't want to hold Apple. I don't want to hold Apple. I do not want to hold Apple. Especially if it starts going down to its support lines. Fuck out of here. I'm not holding Apple. Get me out. Okay. So let's take a 5 minute intermission. 5 minute intermission. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah, UPS is probably kicking off right now, right? Okay, so $1,175 so far. I still have money to play with. I'm not going to play with Apple anymore because Apple's stupid. What I'll end up most likely doing now that I'm finally out of Apple, is I'll probably go into Kodak and do a put. Now Kodak, Kodak, Kodak. Kodak ran up. There's a lot of room for Kodak to go up. I think it's paused right now due to volatility, obviously. But yeah, it's paused right now due to volatility. It had a really big sell-off, so it can run up to like the 13s because of the EMA line being at the 13. It can really gap this entire thing up. I can probably make some money on a Kodak play. Um, but I want to see what's going to ultimately happen, or I can just tell myself I can leave. Like I'm done with today. Take my money and be out. Right. So what I'm thinking about doing, excuse me, what I'm thinking about doing today, right, is that let's go to the charts one more time. So right now Kodak has a lot of room to gap up. That's why it's been doing that this morning, right? So I was thinking about doing maybe a Kodak call, or I can just hold a Tesla call. I know. Tesla's probably going to do whatever it needs to do. What is Tesla right now? 1443. Tesla's just so stupid, bro. I'm so tired of Tesla.